Welcome back guys to the MixedSid channel where we do cocktails, and today's cocktail is the Cayman Mudslide, following on from our last Tiki Caribbean cocktail. This is a special of the Cayman Islands, so I'll show you how to make a mudslide. Right, it's a blended drink, so the first ingredient to go in guys is 45ml or 1.5 ounce of vodka. As you can see, I'm using the Russian standard. Then just put in a cup of ice, 45ml or 1.5 ounce of Kahlua. Here's 45ml or 1.5 ounce of the Bailey's Irish cream. Let's blend right into it. You need more ice. I'm happy with that. Get your highball glass. Let's just simply pour into it. Beautiful. Right, the thing what I do now is to garnish it, just put in grated cinnamon over the top. I'll show you. Finish it with a nice cherry. Beautiful. And then you just dip it in. There you go. It's the Cayman Mudslide taste. Very nice that. Because the strongest taste you get is the Bailey's Irish cream, that's the standout taste. So it's beautiful. Yeah. And you can taste the vodka in it of course, and then the coffee liqueur gives it that exquisite taste. Beautiful. Because it's still a nice Caribbean cocktail, I would highly recommend it. It's nicely presented as well, it's all around good. Well that guys is the Cayman Mudslide. And don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, as I will be doing a lot more in the upcoming weeks. And I will see you for the next cocktail video. Cheers. More ice.